Hi, my name is Michael Niren. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about what you should be getting out of an immigration consultation. If you schedule an immigration consultation with an immigration lawyer, there are certain things that you should be getting out of it. And if you have not, then it's my opinion that the consultation was perhaps a waste of time, or that perhaps you should call back that person and ask some further questions. The first thing you should get when you do an immigration consultation is someone who listens to you. That's probably the most important thing of all. You have a story to tell, you have a certain situation that you have to explain to your lawyer. And if that lawyer doesn't have the listening ears, is not paying attention, that lawyer is not going to be able to advise you on what to do about your problem. So pay attention to whether or not they're paying attention to you. The other important thing is that after they listen to your case, your situation, they should be able to tell you what your options are, what visas are applicable, or what you have to do to meet your goals. They should be able to tell you the visa, whether it be a U.S. work visa or a Canadian work visa or a permanent residence, doesn't matter, whatever makes sense. How long is it going to take? What are the risks, the chances of success, the chances of failure, and of course how much it costs. What are the government fees? What are the legal fees? What are your obligations to pay that lawyer, and what obligations does a lawyer have to you? And part of that is communication. It's very important that once you hire a lawyer, you should know the mode of communication. How are you going to communicate with the lawyer? Are you going to be emailing? Are you going to be calling? Are you going to be faxing? Also, it depends on where you're located too, because if you don't live in the area, you're going to have to be communicating remotely. What is the expectation? Should the lawyer be getting back to you within 24 hours? If you send an email or phone that lawyer, it's always very important to know what the communication is all about. So big picture, when you do these consultations, when you're at these consultations, you should really get out of the consultation that the lawyer is listening to you, offers a solution, options, explains how long it's going to take, what are the risks, and how much it's going to cost. Because if you don't get those basics, you really didn't get value for your consultation. And I hope that if you do schedule a consultation with a lawyer, you get that kind of information. For more information about our firm, about what we do, you can go on our website at www.visaplace.com, and feel free to contact